Hello everyone, my name is Paul Guerrero and I will be doing a tutorial over Etsy.com today. Once you go to the website, you have the ability to either register using your name, email, password, and confirming it, or you can continue if you already have a login account by signing in with Facebook or Google or your email. I have a Google account, so I'll go ahead and sign in. All right, this is the Etsy homepage. Up here you have the search bar where you can search for any item you would like. Right underneath it will be the categories that you can choose from, the different departments, if you will. Say you want to go to wedding parties, you can do party supplies, and then further narrow it down to party decor. All right, underneath the category bar, you have your popular photos, all of the recently viewed items from everybody, different lists that you can choose from, different categories. For shopping for an individual thing, let's say a wooden table, you can use the search bar. It'll bring up a list of results. On the left side of the menu over here, you have your filter options. Say we want something with free shipping, we can choose that. And a brown table, we'll choose that. You can look through all the different items. We'll choose this table. So then it'll bring you to the table. The maker will be Macarios Decor. You have the pictures, the description, the price. You can zoom through all the different pictures, buy it now, add it to cart, the overview of the table, description showing the free shipping. You can read reviews from the past customers right here. It goes over the payment options, returns and exchanges, the shipping policy, and then it gives you a little description of the owners, and you're more than welcome to check them out. If you want to sell something, you can create your own shop. I already started my process. You start at shop preferences, shop language, shop country, and shop currency, and then what best describes you. Click next. Then you name your shop. Mine's Acacia Art and Design. It was available. If it's not, you can check the availability and you can either tweak it or come up with a new name. You can stock your shop. I already stocked a bowl in mine. It gives the description and the price. It has all the information below that you can fill out about the bowl underneath here. So you go through photos, listing details, inventory and pricing, shipping, and all of that good stuff. Then you fill out your bank information on the next page, the country, your account number, and everything. And once you do that, you can set up billing. From there, you can start selling all your items and your business is up and running. So thank you for your time today. I appreciate you watching my video, and hopefully you learned something new about Etsy, and good luck with all of your future endeavors.